move into our second celebration for the day, which is our Teachers' Day celebration. And we're going to take this opportunity to honor our senior teachers who've played a significant role in the development of the Department of Special Education. I would like to extend a warm welcome to Dr. Yashuben Mehta, Professor Smriti Swarup, Professor Rubina Lal, and Professor Preeti Verma. Really, disappointed that Dr. Dharmishta Mehta couldn't join us today. She is one of our senior most professors of the department. I'd like to hand over the stage to Ms. Shobha Shetty right now to commence the program of honoring our special guest. Thank you, Ms. Shetty.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Very much. Okay. Very much. On the onset, let me tell you all that how honored I am that you all have asked me to share my experiences and my association with the department and pay tribute to all those esteemed stalwarts who have inspired us and led us to our future in the field of special education. My journey with the college has continued for the past 40 years. I do not know how many of you present here owe their past and they are present to these stalwarts, but for those who have, what I say here about their inspirational roles in our lives will all resonate with you all. It all began with Dr. Yashuben Mehta, under whom I did my B.Ed, an important turning point in my life. She was my first guru. A small, petite, very soft-spoken woman who soon loomed large as a giant in the mammoth task she expected us to undertake. She started the course in special education in times when special education was not heard of much. I think it was the first of its kind in India, at least, if not in Asia. She was inspired to start the course in time when there were no models to follow. With very little infrastructural support, she pursued the start with somewhat of a fanatical zeal for this. I'm sorry for the choice of words, but we were petrified of her because she expected nothing less than commitment from us. But with the effect that by the end of the course, we were so confident that we could stand up as an experts in the field. She not only taught us what we know about special education, she also gave us, she always invested in building up our characters. She made us confront our weaknesses and try to overcome it. She is in her late 80s. I'm sorry, Yashuben, but she doesn't know the word of what retirement is. She is still working, connected to all her students, knowing each one, guiding them still, mentoring them, and continues to be attached and linked with us throughout. Thank you for all things you have blessed us with, and I hope you continue mentoring all of us. Now I eagerly move on to the next inspiration in my life, that is Professor Smriti Swarup, under whom I did my master's degree. After taking the mantle from Yashuben Mehta, she had large shoes to fit, but soon proved she was second to none. She soon impressed upon us with her dynamism, well equipped with the tremendous knowledge she had of her field. Her systematic approach to think as single-mindedly pursued her task in making the department grow, which resulted in a department which was soon to be remembered for its academic excellence. But personally, what I remember of her most was how much she invested in her students too. Ma'am, you have motivated us to grow, come out of our shells, get rid of your comfort zone and challenge the limits of your professional expertise. She kept advising us, pushing us to think big. We admire you and thank you for your contribution in our lives. I hope you will continue to guide us. I will not forget Professor Rubina Lal, who also inspired me to put my best foot forward. I'm inspired by the way she has targeted her goals in life. She not only sought professional expertise with her total dedication in her work in the department, but what really impressed upon me was she did not pursue the path of her own personal advancement, but like a crusader, she balanced her work, setting her sights on bigger goals. that was empowering student teachers, parents, and most importantly, students with disabilities. Broad shoulders to have taken on so much, untiring in your efforts, but what made a lasting impression on me was your humane side of your persona. In spite of being so well known and acknowledged in the field, you have always accorded me the respect of being considered as an equal. I remember once I was expressing regret over how I had missed so many opportunities in my life. And you promptly reminded me of my work, which you said you admired, and reminded me of how much I had achieved. If you can consider others' efforts and see above your own body of work and acknowledge them as is the real mark of a true leader. I learned how to be humble, Dr. Rubina. You are a wonderful person and I'm fortunate to have known you. Finally, I have to speak about Dr. Verma, Professor Verma. I regret I had very little interaction with the department after you took over. Busy with my own organization, blocking everything happening around me like a frog in my own pond attitude, which I purposely mention here as having a tunnel vision is not something which leads you to greatness achieved by these leaders. But our paths have crossed many a times, and you have shown me a facet of leadership from which I have learned from. You came across as a leader who was always courteous, reachable, very approachable. You were open to dialogue, carefully listening to what we have said, giving us messages that you valued our opinion and respected us for it. This demonstrates of your interest in truly connecting with people. A very humbling experience knowing you, Dr. Verma. I salute you all for being the inspiration to so many of us. You have created a force of special educators who have spread their wings all over the world and have been acknowledged internationally. But it is all because of the foundation you have laid in them. I salute you all for being the inspiration. Now, coming to the end of my epilogue, but not before I congratulate you, Dr. Sujata Ban. I'm really in awe of you. You have energized the whole team of the department to come forth with an explosion of programs, one after the other, relentlessly, and to bring this knowledge to our, and especially in these times of COVID-like situation, using technology to get this class out of the classrooms to bring this knowledge to our doorstep. And so many inspired topics, which expanded our knowledge base. I'm sure even now you are thinking, sitting there, what next? You're on fire, Dr. Ban, but please keep at it because you all have whetted our appetite and we are wanting for more.
Yes.
I congratulate you and wish the whole team all success in the challenging path you have set out on. May you grow from strength to strength. But now, lastly, if you just give me 30 seconds, I must not forget to acknowledge the contribution of SNDT University for creating history and leaving behind a legacy which has enlightened, uplifted, and empowered lakhs of women who have found their spaces all over the world. Further generations can only look back and carry on this legacy to benefit all mankind. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to acknowledge and salute these honorable stalwarts who have made such a difference in so many of us. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ms. Shetty. I request Professor Sujata Ban to say a few words.
Thank you, Shobha. That was so beautifully put. I really am falling short of words now. What do I say? But anyway, it's a great privilege for me to welcome our great former faculty of Department of Special Education on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. Well, it's not exactly today. We treat this month as auspicious. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Such is the significance of gurus depicted in our scriptures, and each one of us will agree that we have had at least one such guru who has shaped us. I have been very lucky to have worked with or worked under all the esteemed teachers here. it's unable to join in. She was, but I must say that I really salute her. Yashoben had retired long before I joined. But I had developed, a hard taskmaster. But she's such a soft soul. It's always a pleasure to just talk to her and listen to her. Her dedication and devotion to children with disabilities is remarkable. She is such an inspiration. She's a true example of selfless and genuine concern for children with disabilities. Even till date, you all know she offers voluntary service at NASIO every single day. Being the founder director of the department, I'm sure it must not have been easy for her. She set the foundation that, in spite of that, what do you say, like the knowledge and the atmosphere at that time, the attitude of the people was not so much for special education, but it was her determination. It was her constant striving for that, that she kept on moving forward. And it was she who established Arushi. That time it was called the Learning Center. And it's, again, I must admit, and at this platform, she supports Arushi. Heart is there. Even till today, she supports our Arushi children. I would request, it's a very unfortunate thing that we want to felicitate all these stalwarts, but on this platform, which is virtual, we can't really do it the way we would have actually liked to do it. So all I can request the participants is to just give a big round of applause for Dr. Yashoben Mehta. Can I hear a round of applause for her? Everybody's muted, so I guess, yeah, that is going to take some time, but that's the only way I can acknowledge her. Maybe thumbs up, maybe a thumbs up would be fine. Yeah. Okay, I'll move further. We wish to felicitate Dr. Professor Dharmishta Mehta, who nurtured each and every student in 1987 and led it with her from Dr. Swaroop's department, such as her presence. Research was her forte, and a lot of contribution was made during her time by publishing various tests, etc. She got us huge grants, and that helped us build our present infrastructure that we boast of today. In acknowledgement of her contribution to the field, she was given the Best Teachers Award by the Maharashtra government. After her superannuation, she continues to contribute to the field. Just today, she was invited speaker at NCERT to deliberate on NEP. I attended her session and was once again by her inimitable style of presentation. She's also presently involved in policy making. I move on to my next invitee, my pleasure to introduce my colleague, Dr. Rubina Lal. After working at the grassroots level for many years, she joined the department as faculty in 1998. She brought with her great intellect and vast experience. She was an inspiring teacher for many, and no wonder she was also given the Best Teachers Award by Maharashtra government. She also received Fulbright scholarship. She gave an impetus to research in the department, and after her superannuation in 2013, she's now the director of Suvidya College of Special Education of Sopan. She's continuing to train teachers involved in policy making and research. Dr. Lal is a well-known name in the disability sector, and we take pride in the fact that she was an alumni of the department and professor at the Department of Special Education. Again, a big round of applause and thumbs up to you, Dr. Lal. Last but not the least, it's heartening to introduce our immediate former director, Professor Preeti Verma. We have been colleagues, friends, confidants partners in crime, if I may say so. She joined the department in 1989 and became the head of the department in 2009. Her pleasant personality and easily approachable nature made her very popular among the students. She was a team leader who took her team along in all the endeavors taken by the department. She has represented DSC internationally at Australia and Sweden, to name a few, in various academic programs. She became the IQAC coordinator of our university and also Associate Dean of Interdisciplinary Studies. She superannuated in 2019 and continues to contribute once again like her predecessors. Each one of them has made an impact in the growth of the department in their own significant manner. It's their department, their baby, and their involvement with the department will never cease to exist. I'm trying, I would say, to take your legacy forward. And I know all of you are there always, just a phone call away if I need you for any moment at any point of time. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being our mentors. Thank you for being our guides. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you. We have a small video which I request Yukti to play now. And after that, I would request each one of you to say a few words. Thank you, Yukti. Thank you very much. It is this COVID which puts restrictions on us to show our love towards you the way we would have actually liked to do so. But I'm sure you will appreciate our sentiment and our limitations in the present circumstances. I request now Dr. Swaroop to say a few words, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, very much. Very much.
Good afternoon.
Yes, we can't see you though.
Happy, you can't see?
No, we can't see you. Maybe you have to turn your camera on.
No, my camera is on.
Ma'am, just adjust
yes,
your
yes,
screen
yes,
a little
yes,
bit.
we can. Sorry. I can see you now. Sorry. Yes. Rubina Lal, Dr. Lal,
Happy Teachers'
Dr.
Day.
Lal, can we see you as well?
We can't
Yes,
see. We
yes,
can't see her.
Yes, yes.
We can't see them.
Now we can see all of them.
No, no.
You can't, but I can see them. Shobha, just check at your end, because if I can see, that means they're all with their cameras on.
Yes, ma'am. We can see Dr. Swaroop and Dr. Lal and Dr.
Yeah,
Verma.
they're there. And yes, Dr. Swaroop.
First of all,
Over to you.
Teachers' Day to all of you.
Thank you.
And a special thanks to Dr. Bhan, Shobha. I prefer, instead of calling Dr. Shobha Shetty in the making, I would prefer calling her Shobha, for saying such nice words about me. I really don't know whether I really deserve these words or not. But it's always so overwhelming to see your own students excelling you and crossing all bars. All of you who have been with me and who have been associated and who were there in the department and are still there in the department, I really feel that I have become a great grandmother too. But whatever you have said, I feel that it can never be a single person's effort. It's always a teamwork, and I'm glad Dr. Bhan is doing the same thing. She has wonderful team of people. And just for the information of the audience, I would like to say that the Department of Special Education for 3 times was awarded Best Department of the University because of the teamwork that we had. They said, whatever you say, all your faculty, all the members of the department talk in the same language. That shows that how cohesive the group is. So that used to be a very big reward for all of us. And that was also very motivating for us to continue with whatever we were doing. When I became, I was given the responsibility of the department, I had a huge responsibility because there were, as it was mentioned by Shobha, there were no models for us. I had to take it further, take the department further, whatever Dr. Yeshwant Mehta had already done for setting up the department. But there was no limit to grow further and further. And I'm so glad that today the department is not only known in Mumbai, in India, but internationally people know the department, and the students and the people, the faculty is doing so well that they are on the international map. It really feels very good, and I take pride in saying that yes, I belong to this department. I am a part of DSE. I remember when RCI came in and I was given this responsibility. RCI Act was being developed. We had, and I'm thankful to the ministry, to the government for giving us that platform and listening to our voice. Our voice was heard, and SNDT was considered as the sort of an epicenter for developing everything, right from curriculum to the different syllabi, or everything. Without SNDT, no decisions were being taken. So that was the honor that we got at the national level, and I'm sure Dr. Bhan is now getting that honor at the international level. Forget about national level. Thank you very much, Dr. Bhan. I can go on and on because it's been my bhumi, and whatever I am today, whatever I have been able to do is because of my experience with all of you and the contribution that you have made, each one of you have made to the field. Thank you very much. And the greatest thing is that all of you are still around me. Whenever I want to just call you, I don't look at the watch. Don't look at the time. I just pick up the phone and I call you up. And I don't think anybody has ever not responded to my calls. Thank you. It's a great feeling. And thank you very much, all of you, for being with me all the time. Thank you so much, Dr. Bhan.
Thank you so very much for those touching words. We are there because of you, ma'am. We are there because of you. So we can never, ever forget that. Never, ever forget that.
It's really over.
And we are just there at bottom. Yeah, I know what the feeling is. I know what the feeling is. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Dr. Ravina Lal, so nice to see you here. So nice. I'm waiting to hear from you. So nice to accept our invitation. Thank you very much. You have played a great role in the department. You know that. We know that. Everybody knows that. And you're continuing your journey by churning out wonderful teachers. Over to you.
Hello, everyone. A special hello to Dr. Swaroop. So nice to hear you, Dr. Swaroop. I really miss that now. So good to connect on video. So
डांट याद आती है शायद. मैंने सबको बहुत डांटा है.
Sorry, Sujata, I'm not calling you Dr. Bhan. It doesn't sound okay.
It doesn't sound. I know. No. Please don't bother about that. Yeah.
Thanks, Shobha, for the nice thing that you said about me. I reciprocate all of that about you. And thanks, Sujata, for saying whatever you said about me. So nice to hear all of that. Yeah, you said the right thing. Yes, I did began my journey as a teacher, and I would always cherish that because it got me certain insight into the field, my experience there, that actually augmented my teacher education role. So when I came to Mines College of Special Education or later on to SNDT, I had that nice bouquet of experience of various types of disability, learning disability, intellectual disability, cerebral palsy, autism, and so on. And yes, it was good that I could actually share that with those trainees who were there. And something which I actually enjoyed at SNDT, and SNDT gave me that, the department gave me a lot of chance for that, was I discovered that I had an ability for research and a liking for research methods. And thanks to Dr. Saru, I really got to teach research methodology almost the very first year that I joined. So it was something very nice to teach education technology. And my work actually began with a master's program and moved on to PhD, which was very, very good for me. And it was lovely, actually, those lunch meetings that we had, the biscuit eating that we had.
Oh my God, our biscuit.
Yes, when you
Biscuit
said
lovers, yes, we were biscuit lovers.
in crime in eating biscuit.
Absolutely, absolutely. We have such fond memories.
Yes.
We really made lots of memories.
Yes. It doesn't feel strange still to go to the department. I feel I haven't gone away. And it's up the thread is still the same. Yeah, but it's good that I haven't left off from where I left off at SNDT. The journey didn't end there. And there is still much that I'm doing. In fact, I was listening to your webinar, valedictory part of it, and we've done about 20 of them. Haven't yet thought of doing valedictory, Sujata, because I feel pandemic is going to stay here for some time, so we will be in for more webinars.
That will be another Shrankhala, Dusri Shrankhala.
So true.
Yes. True. Yeah.
I know valedictory. Maybe we will do the valedictory after vaccine is out.
Well said.
Back to the college and the work. It's really nice. Some research is still going on. I'm still sending my proposal for IRB and so on and so forth. So that is very strong. You can do a lot of sit at home and do a lot of research, desktop work and write articles, and all of that is going on in my life. So that's good. Yeah, but I miss SNDT. Yes, that whole camaraderie of doing things together was nice. Now I'm in a decision-making position, so some of that biscuit eating of behavior is missing. I'm very happy on this, and thank you, Sujata, for organizing this. We're really grateful for being part.
Our pleasure is entirely ours, and I want to tell you, you're looking absolutely fantastic. You're really gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Cut my hair and left it all great.
Yeah, it's looking very, very nice. I couldn't hold myself from saying that. Very, very nice, really.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, and we will connect soon in our second Shrinkala of webinars. Thank you, Rubina. Thank you for bringing back those sweet memories.
Everyone, all of you all.
Yeah, thank you. Over to Dr. Verma. What do I say about Dr. Verma? I just feel she's still there. I don't even feel she's gone. Though I must say IQAC and her, her, elevation took her away from us. But nevertheless, she's still very much in the heart. Over to you, Dr. Verma.
Thank you, Sujata, and the team for organizing this. And I just had my, one of the rooms, the entire tiles have crashed. So I was in two minds whether to be here or to be there, but I didn't want to miss this opportunity. So thank you very much. And hi, Rubina, very nice to see you after a very, very long time.
Yeah, same here. Nice to see you too.
Yeah, and Dr. Sarup, I saw her today morning, so it is very recent that we saw each other. I saw you rather. So very nice to be here again. And fortunately, unfortunately, my retirement happened during the lockdown. So I still don't feel that I'm out of the department, and it's like anybody else who's still working from home. So I too am working from home, doing whatever I have on hand. my journey started in 1989, and that was the time when I had just entered the Department of Special Education, and there was Dr. Naik and Dr. Mehta, Uma Pathak, um, Dr. Lal.
Nisha Lal.
Beg your pardon?
Nisha
Nisha Lal.
Lal.
Yes. Yes. So that was the time they were there, and they were great teachers to me. And also, like, Dr. Sarup's, I would say, like, in fact, all of us always say that you laid a very strong foundation for us. And I want to narrate a small incident which happened very recently. Me and Apurva, we were doing a webinar somewhere, and Dr. Jayanti Narayan was there. And she sent me a message that, you all, I like the SNDT stamp, she said. She said, I like the SNDT stamp that each one of you carries, and which meant a lot to us. And I immediately sent back a message saying that, the foundation was laid by Dr. Swaroop. And she wrote back saying that beautiful constructions on a very strong foundation. And each one of you have your unique styles and abilities. So I think we owe a lot to Dr. Swaroop, and I think we owe a lot to each one of us, I mean, who all were there in the department, because there was never a thing where we said, I won't share with you or I won't help you. So wherever we got stuck, whether it was writing a task analysis, Rubina, if you remember, writing task analysis, or it was the specific objectives, there was always always a discussion, and whether it was the dining table, which used to be a favorite hotspot. And each one of us, I think we grew together. Absolutely. When we joined, and by the time we all we all became like siblings fighting with each other, and also grew together. And I remember when we ladies, we used to descend from the first floor and come for the university functions in our saris and all.
Rubina was part of our gang. We used to run for lunch, Rubina Lal.
No. When we used to come for the university functions and wearing our best saris and all, yes. I remember the university crowd turning around to say, there they come. So that was something. And I think somewhere we also took that, it was a stupid pleasure that we had of coming together and, probably making a statement. But besides all these things, I think the way the department has grown and the way, Sujata, you are taking it forward, it is really commendable. And may you do many more such programs, and we all are there to support you and to be with you, which we don't have to reiterate again and again, because and even if
we are still a team, we don't let go easily.
No, I want to add to that even if we say no, knowing you will not give up.
Rubina has something to say. Rubina, what are you saying? I can't hear you.
Never say die. You say never say Sujata.
So that is what, this is what it is. And we as a team, I use the cool word, we really rocked when we were there. And you still rock, and we are behind you, and whatever you do, we bask in your glory.
We are all doing it together.
And we are, I'm sure Rubina and Dr. Swaroop share with me the same sentiments that, we can never detach ourselves from the department. So, it is and will always remain ours. So thank you very much for so much of love and appreciation, and for organizing this day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Together we stay, and together we take the department to greater heights as much as we can. Thank you very,
You-
very, very
You will set a very high bar for whoever comes.
No one is indispensable. We are all doing our bit. Whoever will come will do even better than me. So it's nothing
That
like
is
that. I
there.
think each one of
That
us,
is
as you
there, but-
rightly said, has a distinctive style, has their own unique qualities or whatever. It is just my idea. I feel this is an opportunity. Whatever best I can do, I just try to do that with all.
No, but that doesn't. But we won't spare you. This Teachers' Day, Rubina and Dr. Swaroop, we will all come to the
There are
department
so
and better treat
parties,
us.
so many
Not
parties.
biscuits.
Yeah, I know.
Not biscuits.
Parties which are accumulating, and this COVID is just not going. We feel that okay, maybe another few days or another month, but now we don't know when it's going to go. But once it goes, we have parties lined up. We have parties lined up, and yes, we will celebrate in better times in a better way. But right now, it was just to express our emotions, which we all share, and we understand the sentiment. That's about it at this point of time. So thank you very, very much.
Thank you so
Dr.
much.
Lal, Dr. Swaroop,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Verma, thank you very, very much for gracing this occasion and having a beautiful culmination of this program. Thank you.
And thank you very much to all the participants who have
Yes.
been hearing our nonsense. I
haven't
mean,
met.
for us, it is something which is very personal, and we have
Like a family, like a family. We
Yes,
have been
it
like
is.
a family.
It is a shared thing for us, but thank you for all of you for bearing with us and listening to our sharings. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Most
you.
of them are ex-students now, so they would be happy to know these tidbits from our other.
Oh, Sujata has already spilled a lot of beans over a number of occasions.
I'm a blunderbuss. Dr. Mehta used to call me a blunderbuss. So yes, I sometimes after saying that, I'll say, "Oh, मैं ज़्यादा तो नहीं बोल गई, वो मैं बोल चुकी होती हूँ already." But that's in the lighter vein. But yeah, very, very heartening.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Bye.
much.
Thank you.